invited you, didn't we? You ready? Hello. Buy a cake. Yeah, there's some. The cakes are lovely. Have a drink. Nice to see.
Wow.
Oh.
Look at that. Yeah.
I'm using every reserve in my whole being to not tug on these
Yes.
bell ropes.
Wow. You can see where all the original windows were
Ah, yes.
in the sides. Obviously it was letting in a lot of light. Although actually, there's one that side, there isn't one on that side.
Hmm.
Unless that's been completely rebuilt. But look at this little door. And look at the graffiti.
Oh.
Wow. 1964, 58, 36.
1752. I'm not sure I believe that because it looks like it's a biro.
There's an 07 here. Which 07? Hang, look at that one.
Mm-hmm.
Do you reckon that's 1764?
That is what it says.
It looks very authentic, the way they've sort of
Yeah, it does.
carved those numbers.
Is that a willy?
No, I think it's an F or something. Wow. Just show these steps again.